Instead of you to continue buying that ChickWizz, try to make it yourself. Fellow food lovers, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making the popular ChickWizz that is sold in restaurants, and we'll be using some chicken. I'm using this leftover boiled and fried chicken that I cut into strips with my hands. I'll be using some fresh lettuce. I'll be using some sweet corn, and then I'll be using mayonnaise. Now the main thing for this recipe is the bread. We'll be using some fresh bread. You can use sliced bread, but I decided to cut mine by myself, so I will cut it into my desired shape, into my desired size rather. Now it's time to cut my chicken. I'll be cutting my chicken into smaller sizes. You can do this with your knife or you can do this with a food processor. Once that is done, I'll go ahead to chop my lettuce into smaller sizes. And then I'll go ahead to mix my ingredients together. Now in a bowl, I'm adding in my chicken and a little bit of mayonnaise to bring the chicken together. Next step, I'll be adding in some seasoning cubes and pepper for taste, and then my lettuce and sweet corn. Go ahead to stir that together, add in some more mayonnaise if you want, and then your filling is ready. And now to the next step, we want to toast our bread. So before we toast our bread, we are going to rub butter all over it to get all that crunchiness, and we're going to toast it on very low heat. Go ahead to do that for all your bread, and then you are ready to assemble your bread and the filling. Now once that is done, you want to set up your bread and then put in your already made filling in your bread. Don't be selfish with that filling. Go ahead and just put it all over, and then you cover the bread. Put it up like this, and fellow food lovers, you've just made the perfect ChickWizz that will save you your money. So do well to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Bye guys.